Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I've got this lovely brand new Volkswagen T-Roc Life to be showing you. This is a really lovely car and it's got a few extras on it as well for you, including a rear camera, park assist and a spare wheel as well. I'll show you the spare wheel whilst I'm here. You've got a really big boot, as you can see. And you've also got the spare wheel as well, which is an option at factory, so really nice to have that. You do get roadside assistance with this car and your 3-year warranty, of course, but if you do ever need roadside assistance, you can get them to put spare wheel on. It's just nice to have that extra peace of mind, really. Also, is another unique option that will help its resale value. You've also now got the tinted rear LED tail lamps as standard, because it's the facelifted T-Roc. So these used to be only on the R line and black editions and things like that, FCL. Top of the range cars, but now they're on all of the range, which is really lovely to see. You've got the 16-inch Chesterfield alloy wheels, really nice simple design, and they've got a really thick sidewall on, so they're just really comfortable and better on fuel than a bigger tyre would be. As you can see, the petrol blue metallic, it doesn't show up very well on camera, it's quite hard to see, but it is a stunning colour. If I show you it on the C-pillar, you might be able to see it a bit better. It is lovely. In the showroom it doesn't really do it justice, or on camera when it's in the sun. I was on holiday a few months ago in Mallorca, and they had a few of these facelifted T-Rocs in this colour, and in the sunshine they just look stunning. As you can see, it's a really lovely colour, really unique as well, sort of a bluey green colour. And then this has got the option of the black roof. Stunning car. I'll take you inside now. It's the 1 litre with 110 horsepower, and then you've also got the 6-speed manual gearbox, so that's really nice instead of having 5-speed. You've got your 8-inch touchscreen with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Digital dash now as well. We'll put some fuel in it for you, of course. As you can see, it's done 17 miles, so it's been transported from the factory to here, and then obviously it's been driven by the technicians and it's gone through its checks. It is a really lovely car. What I like about this as well is you've got the lovely light headlining, which means it's really nice and bright inside of the vehicle. It's lovely to have that. You've got your new style steering wheel, really lovely. Electronic handbrake as well, so that means if I put it in first, I'll do it now just to demonstrate. Come off the clutch, start moving forward, so really useful. And then when you stop, you just treat it as a normal handbrake, so really great. We also have the park assist feature on this car. That means all you have to do is control the clutch and brakes pretty much. You won't need to use the accelerator, clutch and brakes, and it'll steer into the space for you. If I pop it into reverse though, you can see it's got a rear camera too, and front and rear sensors. So this is pretty much the easiest car in the world to park. It's great if you're not too amazing at parking, or if you go frequently to a lot of tight parking spaces. It just makes it really easy to drive and park. So if you're not aware, we have been having a huge new car shortage over the past year or so, so it's great to finally be getting stock back in, especially vehicles as nice as this. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, especially if it's something that you're thinking of putting that deposit down on, because they will go really quickly. Of course, we've got stock in now, but the lead times for a T-Roc at the moment are about 9 months. So if you wanted to order from factory, it's still 8 or 9 months. So if you do like the look of this one, make sure to snap it up before it's taken by someone else. Thanks for watching, and we're looking forward to seeing you very soon.